Hi, this is Mr. Rojas again, and this time we're playing the White Belt Song for Clarinet on page 7, number 14. Before we begin, here's our first three notes for the song. We have C, D, and E. Watch my fingers one more time if you need help. Here's C, here's D, here's E. Now backwards. E, D, and C. It should sound kind of like this. Here's C. Make sure that if your C's not working, that you press your fingers nice and tight, okay? If it sounds like this, that probably means your fingers aren't closed all the way. But when they are closed, it should sound just like this. Our next note is D. And here is E. Put those three notes together and we have our song. So here is page 7, number 14, the White Belt for Clarinet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, 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 rest. That's it for today. We'll see you next time for our next bell. Until then, see you later.